Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with my brand new Huawei Watch GT Runner. And in this video, I will be showing you how you can transfer songs onto your new smartwatch. Okay, so first things first, you will need to pair the watch with your phone. If you don't know how to pair your watch with the mobile phone, I will leave a simple link to my tutorial video in the description down below. Be sure to watch that video and get your watch paired with your phone. And you can pair this watch with an Android phone or an Apple iPhone. And then next, you will need to either download the music onto the phone using your internet web browser, or if you've already got music on your PC, you can just transfer it from the PC onto the phone. And then just follow the steps what I'm about to show you. So just simply look for the Huawei Health application. You will see this application after you've paired the watch with the phone and get it all set up. So you will see this Huawei Health application. Make sure it's updated to the latest version, and then just open it up and make sure that it says Huawei Watch GT Runner connected, and then just simply select the music tab and then select manage music, add and manage music on your watch, and then select add, and then you will see a list of all your music that you have on your phone. And then just simply select the ones that you want to transfer over to the smartwatch. Okay, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I've got 8 songs that I want to transfer over. And then just simply select the little tick. And then it will say these songs will be transferred to your watch. You can still use your phone during transfer. So just go ahead and hit OK. And as you can see, it's transferring the songs over. And it also shows how much storage you have left on the watch. Okay, so it's transferring the second song over. And now the third song. And in total, I've got 8 songs that I'm going to transfer over to the watch.
Lost.
And as you can see, the transfer speed is pretty quick. We're almost done. Okay, so we're on the last song. And it should say successfully added. Okay, so let's go to the watch. And then music. And as you can see, my 8 songs are now on the watch. So yeah guys, that's it. That was just my video showing you all how to put music onto your brand new Huawei Watch GT Runner. If this video helped you out, you already know what to do. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, share the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor. See you in the next one. I'm out. Deuces.